Movies. The classic escape into stories that move us, thrill us, and sometimes leave us speechless. But hold on, have you noticed how video games are stealing the spotlight? I'm not just talking about entertainment here. I'm talking about a whole new level of storytelling, immersion, and emotional connection. So the big question is, are video games better than movies now? Let's find out. Let's talk about storytelling. Movies like The Shawshank Redemption and Titanic have defined what it means to tell powerful stories. But now, video games are stepping in with tales that are just as impactful, if not more. Think about The Last of Us. The heartbreak of Joel and Ellie's journey isn't just something you watch, it's something you live. In a movie, you sit back and watch events unfold. In a game, every decision you make, every dialogue choice, shapes the story. The emotions hit harder because you're part of it. It's like watching a movie where you're also the lead actor. Here's where games crush movies. Immersion. Movies show you a world, but video games let you live in it. Whether you're sneaking through a post-apocalyptic wasteland in Fallout, or battling gods in God of War, the feeling of being in control changes everything. You don't just watch a character's journey, you guide it, feel the pressure of their choices, and sometimes face the consequences. That level of interaction, it's something movies can't replicate. Let's not forget how games are catching up in visuals. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Horizon Forbidden West use motion capture and photorealistic graphics to create breathtaking worlds. And here's the kicker, movies use CGI to show you special effects. Games let you control those effects. Imagine the difference between watching a car explode on screen and being the one driving the car that's about to explode. That's the power of gaming. Hey, if you're loving this breakdown, make sure to subscribe and share your favorite gaming moment in the comments. Let's keep this conversation going. Gaming isn't just about playing anymore, it's about sharing. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube have turned games into global events. Esports tournaments now fill arenas, and let's be real, when was the last time a movie did that? Gaming is no longer a solo experience, it's a culture, a community, a place where millions connect, share, and create memories together. Here's another thing games do better, replay value. Movies? You watch them once, maybe twice, and that's it. But games like Skyrim or The Witcher 3 offer endless hours of exploration and new experiences every time you play. Plus, with downloadable content and mods, your favorite games evolve over time. Can movies do that? Not really. Now let's be fair. Not everyone has the time or patience for a 60-hour game campaign. Movies are quick, easy, and universally accessible. Sometimes you just want to sit back and enjoy without lifting a finger, and that's perfectly okay. But here's the thing, both mediums have their strengths. And honestly, isn't it amazing that we get to enjoy both? So, are video games better than movies? Maybe, maybe not. But what's undeniable is that video games have grown into something extraordinary. They're not just entertainment anymore, they're experiences, memories, and even life-changing journeys. Now it's your turn. Are you team video games or team movies? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you think.